Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar Swiss, I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, but looking at the dollar index and other dollar pairs, I actually think that it is going to go up and take out these highs. I'm starting to think that this is three waves of A, and this whole move down is actually a wave B, and perhaps it's now like in an uptrend for a wave C. I still think that the weekly and monthly are going to make another leg down. That's why I'm pretty confident this is going to just be an ABC correction within a downtrend. But on the 4-hour time frame, that's a pretty decent move to the upside, which likely will make some pretty nice longs on shorter time frames. Now, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now, possibly near the end of a wave, but I definitely would be patiently waiting for three-way pullbacks in order to go long. There was a very nice three-way pullback very early this morning right there. There was an expanding ABC back here yesterday. Those are the type of things that I would be waiting for more long opportunities, potentially for the continuation of a pretty decent wave to the upside on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.